Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to go live on Hostinger. The first thing I want you to do is log into your HPanel on Hostinger, and once you're logged into your dashboard, come here on the left hand panel, click on websites, and then here I want you to click on add website, and then you can go ahead and build a website. I'll just show you the process and how you can go live. Now, once you are here, you can go ahead and select any prompt to go ahead and design you a website, and once it is done, it'll go ahead and open up like this. To go live, what I need you to do is just come here at the top right, click on go live. You see right now it says that it is publishing and it has been saved. Autosave is on, backups are also on. Right now it is publishing. At any given point in time, you can go to your HPanel again and you can go to edit website and then you can publish it from there, just as long as it is live. So if I come here again, let me quickly show you. Here on the left hand panel, you just go ahead and click on edit website and just make sure it's live. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.